Hi guys, it's Aston. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use SEMrush for link building. SEMrush is a big all-in-one SEO tool, and one main features of that tool is link building because backlinks is really powerful and important for SEO. With SEMrush, you can find right backlinks, outreach them, analyze those backlink, monitor the backlink, remove the backlinks in case if you don't want also. So it is a very comprehensive platform within a platform. So in this video series I'm going to explain all of that features in step by step, so you get the full understanding and you can go directly use SEMrush to create backlinks you need. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look into backlink analytics within SEMrush in depth. Basically, this tool helps you to get the full in-depth explanation and all the data set related to a backlinks a particular domain has. It will give you all the data you need to know in order to get the full ideal picture of a backlinks of any website. So in order to access this tool, this is really easy. You logged into your SEMrush tool set and come below the backlink analytics under the link building. Here you just need to enter a domain. For example, I'm entering smrush.com here, and when I click on analyze, it will bring up all the data. For example, live update shows that what kind of category this particular domain comes under. If I'm clicking on here, it will show you different status. And live update, like it shows these are brand new links coming up just found 7 days ago, so it's showing me all those data. I'm just going to go back into all to keep it showing all the things explaining to you. First, you can either see your own domain only, or you can add competitor domains and compare your domain with your competitors. You can add up to 3 competitors here to compare, and just it will show all the data, but comparing, while comparing it will show all the data. Referring domain, it says that SEMrush has around 150,000 plus referring domain backlinks. Total number of backlinks they have is around 47 million. Monthly visits they are getting is 31.8 million. Organic traffic they are receiving is around 21.2 million. Outbound domain link, how many domains which SEMrush is linking out is around 10,000. So we get all these datas here. These having all these datas are having a link, which means when I click on it, it will open up in one of these tab, which will give me more in-depth data. So these are very important for us because we are initially within a quick glance, we are able to see all the data related to backlinks. And not only that, we are actually able to see the outbound domain also, like these are the domains which we are linking out to this particular site is linking out, so we can see all these things. Overall toxicity score, if it finds a lot of bad backlinks or links from bad neighborhoods like public blog network, de-index sites, spam sites, it will show your domain toxicity score as well. Now it's showing me authority score. You can see SEMrush as an authority of 83, and it says that it's a industry leader because it has a link power, it has the organic traffic to prove, it also have a natural profile. So based on these three criteria, for every domain it will grade you that particular domain based on the backlink it has. Authority score trend, like how much they are growing and how they are growing, so it will show me that line graph here. And if you see here also, it has notation in case if anything major happened during that time, it will show that notation. So in case sometime if you notice something going down, you know that this is because, can be because of this particular reason. Then we have network graph. I will go depth when I'm explaining here, but basically it is giving me an overall picture for this particular tab. Referring domain is like it shows how many referring domain it has, like cumulatively adding to their backlink and domain portfolio. You can see it started on February 2023 to around 135,000 domains, but currently they have over 154,000 domains. So that is cumulatively how many domains they having. And backlinks is showing me how many backlink it has, right? For February 2023, they had over 71 million, but now it's around 46 million. So it is considerably reduced. Maybe they have reduced a lot of spam backlinks or not. They have to check that out. So those are the backlinks. We can see that new and referring domain. Basically, this shows for every single section under last 6 months. You can also see the in-depth data for like every day, how many backlinks it gained, how many backlinks it lost. So visually I can see how many backlinks I gained. So you can see based on this data where these top bars are having a larger size, means that it automatically SEMrush is receiving more backlinks compared to the number of links they are losing, which is a really good sign, because you don't want to lose a lot of backlinks and you just add couple of new backlinks. So that is what here, and this is for referring domain, not backlinks. New back domains added, so it can have, even though it mentioned 2021, it can have lot more links, but they're adding more domains here. This is for backlinks, where we can see how many backlinks they are adding for a certain amount of period, how many are losing. So we can see the data. For example, sometimes here these are very nominal compared to the backlinks they are getting. So those are the data we can see. Here also we have full report backlink. Categories is saying based on the referring domains, at what kind of category they are coming from. For example, most of the backlink which SEMrush is receiving is coming from business and industrial category, then internet and telecom. So based on that, we can also get the idea on who are other people who are linking to this particular website and from which category they are in. We can also see full report here, and here it shows the top anchors. Anchors are the text which a link is used to hyperlink and give out that link. So for example, if you, as I say, a backlink means there is a link which is pointing to this particular website. That link will be hyperlinked to a image, text, or any even empty links or anything like that. That text is what we called anchor text, and these are the top anchor text which is Ahref is getting. And we have domain referring domains by authority. So here we can see what kind of referring domains of a SEMrush and what kind of authority it has. We can see nice percentage. So from here you can see most of the domain which is linking to SEMrush is just 11 to 20 authority. Then they have 21 to 30. After that they have the biggest one is 0 to 10. So they receive a lot of low amount of authority domain backlinks. Then these are the things. So from here itself we can get a better idea. Backlink types is shown here. Number of text backlinks, because they receive a lot of text backlink, it is over 71 percentage. Image backlink, form backlink, frame backlink, iframe backlinks, and everything. Link attribute, as we know in SEO, do follow links are much more powerful compared to no follow, sponsored, and UGC, where they are getting over 63 percentage of backlink as a no do follow. Even no follow is good for SEO, and they are receiving 37 percentage here as well. So those are the link attributes. Various link attributes are shown here. TLD distribution is where like domain extension out of their backlink which they are receiving, what kind of extension the backlinks are coming from. Is it from .com, is it from .net, org, all the different domains, and showing me the domain data. If you click here, it will apply that filter and it will go into one of the tabs for deeper analysis. Then we are seeing top countries where the domain is coming from. Obviously they are getting a lot of backlinks from United States of America. So after that, these are the link push file distribution is where it shows like out of this much of domain, how much is this kind of IP and what kind of sub network. So this particular database handles with the IP address and sub networks of that domain ranking profile. Similar profile based on the backlinks this particular domain receives, it also tries to compare with other domains like who else is getting these kind of backlinks to them, and it gives you a similar profile. Most of the time these similar profiles will be your competitor. So if you are entering your own domain, when you see similar profile, most of the time it will be your competitors, because they are receiving same backlinks, that they might tend to try to rank for the same type of keyword which you are going after. So that full report is available through here. Top pages is what shown, like these are the pages within SEMrush which gets a lot of backlinks. So these are the backlinks within that particular website getting a lot of backlinks. So we can get an idea here. Yeah, they also have a small learning course on their backlink section also. Now if we go into network graph, is where this is something interesting and also a bit complex to get used to it. Even I'm not 100% accurately using this tool. Basically what it will show, it will use the backlinks profile it has to show basically a network graph. Based on that, it will give you a reputable sign, and around 63% of relevant domain is shown here. And you can, what you can see, SEMrush is this per middle dot. Depending on that, if you click on any other dot, it will show how their backlinks is connected and what are the other domains associated with it. So it's basically, you can zoom it out. You have the option to go back to center, you can go full screen, zoom out, all these things. And if you click on all the different ones, it will show how each one is connected and how you can get a better understanding on your link profile here as well. You can see all the things. And if I click on this, I highly recommend you, because you can see get a much more better understanding from here and from here as well, because this user manual gives much more depth on how you can start understanding this and start using this option for you. So that is network graph. Then we have backlinks, where we are seeing the overall summary. Basically this section is the most of the time we will be using to find all the backlinks of our site or from our competitor site, because this section is basically giving you all the backlinks it has. For example, SEMrush has around 46 million backlinks. So I can have various filters. It also giving me a summary look here. We already seen this, but let me show you the filters here. For example, I'm seeing a lot of backlink, but we have several filters here which I can use it to get a much more manageable prospects for me. First, we have all active, new, lost. All will show all the links. Lost means that these backlinks have lost, or somehow this backlinks got broken, that links got removed. New are the new backlinks SEMrush received. Active backlinks are all the backlinks which are active right now, which is live, because they, even though SEMrush finds a backlink source, what it will do is periodically it will go back and crawl the page again for metrics, and also to see what kind of links it has, all the things. So this process does it automatically. So you will find those data. You also have the time period, so you can see I want to see the backlinks added in this particular month. All those data can be set here. You also have different criteria. Do you want to see what kind of backlink profile? If you want to see only do follow backlinks, just click on do follow. It will only show the do follow backlinks of SEMrush. You can see all the different stuff here. Then you have different other link attribute functionalities here. Links per domain, like in from a domain, how many backlinks you want to see. Currently it's saying like does not matter how many backlinks it has, show everything. But if I turned on one per domain, basically what SEMrush will do is it will group the backlinks and will show me one big the most powerful backlink SEMrush receives from that particular source. So we are now broken that down into 118,000. When then we have link placement, like where should be the backlink placed? Either is it within content, because backlinks which is coming from content tends to be more powerful compared to other places like header, footer, site wide. These backlinks are still good, but most of the time these considered as low value, because it is very common to place these things. But content will be much powerful. So if I'm looking for only content backlink opportunities, I will select content here, and I have sorted down to 79,000 right now. Referring page platform, like the domain which is bringing this backlink, what kind of platform do it want? Is it a e-commerce or wiki based platform, blog based, message board, CMS? All the different data are shown here. Referring page language, from which language that backlinks are coming from that site. I can maybe set it as English. Then once I do that, again the filter will takes place. Then it has whether do I want to see all the pages of backlinks or only the web pages which have been optimized for mobile. So I can see only mobile friendly web pages here. And you can see I have sorted it further. Now I can filter it by title or URL also. And when I click on advanced filters, and I can see various other filters also. For example, include exclude option is available. I have the control for referring domain, so I can give a domain say and show only backlink from this domain particularly, or I can select a type and select what kind of type of backlink I want. Anchored, IP address, zone, all these other stuffs are available here. So you can see by just turning on several filters for me, I trimmed down the backlink from around 47 million to just around 50,000 for me. From here, I can go by page authority and see these are very powerful backlinks for SEMrush. So I can go, if let's say for example SEMrush is my competitor, what I will do is I will take a look into their most powerful backlinks from here and try to get a backlink from that page itself. You can see it is privacy notice. This is as a privacy partners page. Basically, maybe I can try, if I'm also running a SEO tool, maybe I can try to reach out to them. And similarly here as well, you can see it is a domain backlink directly coming from that content backlink. All the different sources are available here. Maybe I can check it out and get a better ranking option and try to get the backlinks from here as well. So those are the data related with backlinks tab. Then we have anchors tab. Anchors tab basically gives you the data out of all the backlinks. What are the anchors they have? For example, in SEMrush, empty anchor seems to be a lot, and if I click on this particular link, it will show me all the backlinks which has this empty anchor text, and this is the next set of anchor text. So based on this, you can see all the links which SEMrush is receiving, what is the text which is hyperlinked to. So we can see the anchor text data here. Then we are seeing referring domains here. Basically we saw backlinks. Now it's showing me only the backlink domain data here, all the data in summary, and also it will give you a big same like backlinks table, but it is for the domain table here as well. So I can see the total number of backlinks, all the data are shown here. You can see all the things. For example, if I click on any of here, when I click here, it will show all the backlinks that particular site is giving to SEMrush. So that is what this section does. Then we have indexed page. Index page is where all the pages which got indexed with the backlinks amount. So these are the pages which receiving a lot of backlinks. We can understand from here. You can see this backlink as this amount of backlinks, number of domain it's linking to, external, internal link loss in all the data are shown here as well. Outbound link is something interesting where it not only shows the link which it's receiving, but also this particular domain is linking out to. So these are the domain which SEMrush is linking out to. So we can see other maybe some linking opportunities or some other places where this particular site is linking out to them, so we can get a better idea on that. So these are the outbound links database. Apart from that, we can see competitor database. From here you can see all the competitors which SEMrush is able to find based on the backlink backlink database, similar backlink database. We can see all the competitors is found around 100 competitors related to it, and we also have link to view those data as well. Then we have referring IPs. So now it will show all the IPs which most of the domain or backlink is coming from. So those are the data which is available within the backlink analytics within SEMrush. This is a really powerful tool. So if you use this wisely, you can find very good linking opportunities and find backlinks which you need to outrank your certain site. You can do this on a domain level basis, or go with the exact URL if you are looking for a backlinks opportunity for a specific web page or a website. You can do all those things from here. So that is what backlink analytics tool within SEMrush is able to do. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look into SEMrush backlink audit tool in depth, how to use it, what kind of data it provides, all the things which you need to understand the tool. I will explain it to you. Basically, this tool help you to understand and get toxicity score, personal insights on your backlink, analyze and organize all the backlinks you have, and also it allows you to send the backlinks automatically to Google disallow tool to making sure that in case if you get any bad links or spam backlinks within your profile, you can notify to the Google saying that these are not natural backlinks which I have not created or I have not received, and you can notify this group to Google and basically protect your ranking for you. And it also will integrate with Google Search Console, and you can keep on doing regular crawls and find also the pages which attracts most backlinks. So these are some of the features which of backlink audit tool. In this example video, I'm going to explain you by setting up an entire backlink audit campaign and show how you can use this tool for you. For example, first you can see you need to create a project or any project which you have ordered to, let's say, position, rank tracking and everything. It will show here if you have not set up a backlink audit for them. So in order to do that, just for example, I'm going to use this as an example of our project. You can create a new project or use one of your existing project and click on setup, and basically it will open up this particular dashboard. Here it will show you the data. For example, the campaign scope will show for this particular domain, root domain, how many backlink it was able to find. For a different versions of the domain also it will show that. For example, if you want to cover all the backlinks, all the domain backlinks, you just click on root domain. If you want to see a specific version of your site, click on any of this. Do not press start backlink audit here. If you do that, what will do is it will skip all these three steps and directly analyze the backlink audit. If you want to have the control for these also, click on this section. And here you can add brand names here. For example, he added one. Maybe I can add one more also. So I can mention these are my brand name. You can add up to 10 brand names here. Then I can go into domain categories and I can select my domain is associated with this category. Basically, SEMrush itself will try to select one for you. If it's not suited to you, you can maybe suit a different one here. Target country. Here also SEMrush itself will try to predict my target country. If not, you can select a different one. Currently, it predicted everything correct. I'm just going to click on start backlink audit. Now when I click on that, now it will do automatically. It's asking me whether I want to show notification. Maybe once it is done, it will show me a notification on it's done. You can see now it's saying that it's collecting and analyzing based on who is checking if referring domains are indexed by search engine. So it has various process here. You can wait until this is finished, because depending on the number of backlinks your site have or the domain which you have, it will take time. Now it's identifying harmful domains, crawling domains and URL, so it will go crawl all the backlink and try to get the data. While this is doing, let me also show you how you can connect your Google Search Console. If you want to see those data, toxic data on every backlink, Google Search Console has identified, and also send backlinks to their disallowed tool. In order to do this, clicking on here, it will automatically open up this kind of particular example. Here it will give you an email address, and you need to add this to your Google Search Console site property. Make sure that I'm the owner, verified user, and I need to go into add user, and from setting I need to add a new user. Inside add user, I need to paste in this particular email address as a username. Then once it done, I need to give full permission and make sure to click on check connection and upload backlinks. Once it is got that information, then it will automatically bring that Google Search Console data also within this platform here. Now I have followed all the instructions and I have added this particular email into my Google Search Console section here. Now I'm going to click on check connection and upload backlinks. Now it will try to check the connection because I've already, and you can see it is Google's account is connected. Now it is importing backlinks from this particular property. So I will click on got it, and basically now it is doing this process. as well as it is going to do the search console backlink import process also. And you can see automatically it has done here. um, Let me click on show progress, and these are the overview. First, these are giving me some recommendations here. Error purges in your domain, one page with errors, 3 backlinks affected. I can fix it from here. Potential link networks, 28 link network by URL per 2 mirror pages. I can review by clicking it here. Connect Google Analytic. I can also connect Google Analytic to get that data. Too many low authority score domains. It says that I have too many low authority domain. Import backlink. I can import from a CSV. Add mailbox, so I can because SMrush allows from SMrush itself to send backlinks outreach mails, so I can get a connect email to do that. Say up to date by doing a scheduled rerun of the campaign and build more backlink. You can start outreaching. I will go one by one in depth. So overall toxicity score shows that low your backlink profiles looks really good. So it give me a lower score for that. How many differing domain I have, how many backlinks it was analyzed, what is the authority score of my website is shown here. Again, we have another chart view to show the profile dynamic, new and lost domains by toxicity score, backlinks to review how many backlinks it thinks two are toxic, four are potentially bad, and 574 is very non-toxic. Backlink removal request, like I can also make any toxic backlinks from review to remove list, and backlink removal request to domain owner. Their contact info will load automatically, so I can contact and reach them to ask my to remove it. Or if they didn't respond, I can obviously create a automatic backlink here, links here, and send it to Google disallow tool to make sure to say to Google to please ignore these links. I will also show this in depth from explaining these tabs here. Then we have top 100 referring domain for my backlinks. These are the top 100 referring domains. It will show that data here. Top referring domain categories is shown here. Domains authority score is shown here. Backlinks by anchor text is showing here. Top 10, top 100 anchors which I'm receiving is shown here. Top 5 target pages is shown here, and also backlinks by authority and backlinks by link type is shown here. I've explained everything on this, and from backlink analytics tool itself, basically same thing is repeating here. Now if I go into this audit section, this is where the in-depth data for this summary is shown here. For example, audit potential link where it says that 28 link network by bar, 2 mirror pages for this particular one. How to fix it? It shows that particular data. So I can click on review backlinks, and you can see all the links which it says. For example, let me do this. When I get a suggestion here, and automatically you can see investigate the quality of backlink, and when you remove unwanted backlinks to remove, and contact site owner and add backlinks you don't want to ignore to disallow. You can see I can upload to here. So here you can see it shows me all the different backlinks which I can possibly look into it. One I can select for something like this, and to making sure to remove it I can do. So it will automatically making sure to remove this tag and add it to a remove list, which I can use to contact the owners and possibly ask them to remove these backlinks to me. So I can have several other options as well, or I can do a disallow. So if I click on here, I can select that I want to add this particular domain itself to disallow, or I want to have this page to disallow. I can do whichever the option I want, and when I click on move to disallow, it will automatically move those domains into disallow. For example, you can see under disallow it automatically added these domain data here. Now I can do is what I can do is I can automatically, you can see disallow, I can export to this file and upload to here. For example, export to text, and it has created this disallow file. If I open this file, I'll show you how it will look like. This is how it will look like. You can see it created with the names, what kind of backlinks it wanted to disallow. Then it's giving me option. I need to go into this section and just upload the domain backlink disallow file within the Google, then I can safely ignore those links from my audit. So that is what it done. I can also, I once I uploaded the file, I can make sure to recalculate the toxicity score, so it will ignore those links toxicity score and show the results for the rest of the domain for you. So that is how you fix any issues it found. If it says anything, you just click on review backlinks and it will show for that. And depending on that, you can also go into seeing different other sections as well. For example, for review, it has this much of backlinks for me to review it, so I can review all the backlinks here to whitelist the backlinks. So I know this backlinks is really good, these backlinks are bad, I will send it to uh, remove section. If the owners are not responding, or if there is no email contact address found, then I can possibly disallow it also. So we have also several other options to filter the backlinks which we are seeing here. Since I'm only having a bunch of backlink, I like 52 backlinks, it's not a big issue. But if you have hundreds or thousands of backlink, then these sections will comes under play for you. For example, toxic marker says that what kind of toxic links you want to see in this section, whether all the different option is available: poor backlink profile, non-index domain, page comment spam, mirror pages, suspicious follow link, irrelevant geo. So you can choose whichever the one you want to filter the links accordingly. Then you have link attribute, toxicity score, anchors, category, authority score, and link type. So depending on your need, you can select whichever the one to filter it out, and you can use that in your audit information. Remove is where I told you, like if I say add some URLs to remove, let me say, show you something like this. This is my company website, so I'm just going to click that and send it to remove list, let's say, for example, and move domain, move to remove report. So now when I go into remove report, I will see that database here. So here itself, it will give me the link it found on, say, social medias and the contact page within the website itself. So I can go there and contact. You can see the status also shown here. Or I can access the tools within this particular SMrush itself. For example, if I click on send email, it will send the email from my email address to that particular email address. I can find the email address, you can see, from add a mailbox. I can connect to a mailbox from SMrush and to send to this person. You can see from email I need to do that, and two, it automatically try to find an email from this domain. So it's showing me this is the domain, which is correct, to be honest, because in my personal domain, so I know it. So you need to connect your mail inbox and select which emails you want to add. You can also add multiple here, and you can also create a text here. Basically it gives you a saved template, which for this, for example, you can see, hello, I'm working on cleaning the website and your project domain. It automatically will rename this to the project domain, and I need in helping some rooms from your site. Your site is probably legitimate, but I'm trying to eliminate as many links as possible. I'm asking, so it gives you some example, some placeholders text are provided here. You can also use it. Once done, you can just preview it, and you can see a preview of how this email will look like. Then you can also create a follow-up also for that backlink. You can do that, and once everything is good, you can click on send, and it will send this particular email, and will keep a track on it, like how they are responding, whether they are responding or not, if the follow-up email was sent or not. All these things will be shown here. You can also note on it. For example, once you send here, you can also add a custom note saying that I sent this mail to this person at this time, I will wait for it. Any personal note which helps you to manage this outreach process much more effectively. So that is what remove section does it for here. You can see it here. If they are any not responsive, then you can go into disallow, and as I told you, showed you, just add any domains from audit to disallow if you don't want it, and make sure to export the list and upload to Google disallow file as well. So that is what how to use this particular disallow tool, to making sure that you use SMrush to do that process for you. Then we have lost and found. These are the links which it got new backlink, broken link, and also lost domain. So number of domain, number of analyzed domain, it shows the new backlinks here. It shows the broken link, backlinks here. It also shows the lost backlinks here. So these are the backlinks which is got lost. So we can get an idea on all the different backlinks we found. It shows the graph data and also tabulated data here as well. Then we have target pages. Target pages is where for different page, which is the kind of like how many backlinks it is receiving for different pages. So you can see this page is around 42%. What kind of backlink? These data will show if I connecting my Google's referral traffic GA console, then it will show this as a 401. So I can try to get that fixed and checked it out. So those target pages section is shown here. Then we have about, because we are already connected. So those are the data and information is available within Google backlink audit, SEMrush backlink audit feature. It basically gives you a whole overview of backlinks. Connect to Google Search Console, contact any person if you want to remove backlinks. An outreach tool is provided within the tool itself, and also it provides option to upload backlinks to Google disallow tool in case if you want to make sure to tell the Google to ignore these backlinks to you. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into SEMrush link building tool. Basically, this tool helps you to create backlinks for your website. That is self-explanatory. This tool helps you to find prospect, make them organized, and make a progressive workspace in order to contact and monitor those prospects for you. So in order to access this particular tool, you need to come under link building tool, and either you can create a brand new project here, or if you have created a project in, let's say, position rank tracking and anything, then it will show that project if at not as still not set up a link building tool. So I just click on setup here, and once I clicked on here, basically it will ask you to enter 10 different keyword for you. You can enter all the different keyword which is interested to you, or it will find the keywords for you. So it will ask all the different ones. Then you select competitors also. Competitors also, it will try to find it on its own, or you can add your own competitors here. And once you select added all the different stuff, just click on start link building, and it will try to find all the prospects and link building opportunities for you. You can see it's saying correctly collecting, analyzing data, and it will give you a small summary on how to use this tool as well. Search for link prospects by their source, select the link best link prospects, start reaching out to them, track your backlink visibility. It is very self-explanatory but very powerful tool if you want to create your own backlinks for your domain, because it provides all the data for you. So you can add, obviously there are a couple of integration we can do in this particular tool. One, we can add a mailbox here. It supports Gmail, Outlook, Office 360 and Exchange Online. Basically adding an email address here, what it will enable you to do is to do the outreach also within SEMrush tool, which makes it really powerful. For example, otherwise you have to do this separately from your own dedicated email inbox. Here what it can do is it will help you to do that outreach mail. They will also have the sample templates and everything, so you can use them to send the mail here itself. You can see automatically it found around 991 prospects for me. I just click on view prospects, and one more integration which you can do is connect Google Search Console here. I have already done this process, so let me check. Click on check and upload, and it automatically will, I think, connect my account. So you can see it automatically connected to my Google Search Console, and it's collecting that data also here. Now I'm going to go into the overview section first, then go one by one here. So you can see it's still analyzing my Google Search Console data. Whatever the data SEMrush connected on its own, it's already done. So let me wait until this also to finish. Okay, now you can see that data also finished adding into the platform, and now it has found total of 991 domain prospects. From keywords, it found 388 backlink prospects. From the competitor we added, it found 613 prospects. From the uploaded links, which we have not done, but we can also upload backlinks here, it found this amount of prospects and lost per. When you click on go to prospects, it will simply go into this tab. You also have different other tools available within that to show these are the options available for you to check it out. If you have any prospects which you are in the middle of contacting them or sending a mail to them all the data, it will show those data here. Monitored backlink, once you created a backlink, once you added a link to monitor, it will show those data here. So first we are going to go into prospect section, and here is where we will see most of the data, or we will be working a lot in this tool. One, it will show all the prospects. You can see a keyword, prospect, competitor. I can also obviously add more keywords here. I have 10 different keywords, right? I can keep on adding, or I can keep on adding more competitors here, or I can upload backlinks domains to this prospect also. So these are the options. I can reject any of the things which I don't want. I can do that. For example, these backlinks it try to find, maybe I can go keyword by keyword. These are the keyword available. Competitor is where when I click on competitor, these are the backlinks which our competitors are able to get. So I can also try to get these backlinks to my site. So these options are available for me. You can see these things. So these things I can obviously check one by one. I can add a comment here. I can change the referring URL depending on my need, and also make sure to see all the options here. Select the outreach strategy. So what it does, it after checking the domain, what kind of backlink is this, and I'll ask you to whether it's a manual link. If I click it, these are the content, like I need to create it manually. Directory, catalog backlinks, add a link to article, existing link, product review, link to mention, guest post, recover lost link, or customize your own outreach strategy. I can create backlink. What it will do is, for different strategy, it will have different email needed or set a different stack. For example, if it's a directory, it has a different template. You can see all the different things. So it will give you all the information you need for all the things. You can see it will just give you a sample overview. You can customize it as you want. So I can, maybe this is a app link, so I need to manually create it. So I can tag that as a manually created backlink. So it will automatically select and send that domain link to the progress. So that is how we keep on going it. For example, this is a directory link. So I might direct directory or catalog link. So I can keep on going into all the backlinks it is showing me in this section and do this same things. Let's say, for example, I'll reject something. Maybe this is something which I want to reject. I can do that here as well. For example, reject, and that link will be automatically rejected. So based on that, I can keep on doing it for everything here. I can also use these filters, and you can see the rejected backlinks separately also. If I want, I can see that. If I click on in progress, now you can see all the progress links which I have added to in progress is shown here. For example, for this, I told you I want to do it manually. So it's saying manual link connection. So once I acquired that list, I just need to click on this particular check mark after editing the page here, because this is not the page my backlink is will not coming from. It will create a different page within this domain. So I will update the URL here and click on check, and it will automatically move that link back to the monitor. So it will make sure that my backlink is always alive. So it will keep on checking it for me. Again, for this particular URL backlink strategy, it's not a manual link. I need to contact them and add it, maybe something like that, because I can contact rainpages.lk. Through different links are available, even contact us page is available, or I can contact from here itself. And when I click on that, again I can select my mailbox, and there are two address, and send a email from this section email itself to them to ask to add our backlink, or all those options is available here. So that is the in progress. Basically, you use the in progress to automatically send requests to backlink, or create backlinks and send to monitor backlinks. Contacted by email will show number of emails it delivered, how many it was opened, replied, auto replied, all the data are shown here. Monitor is section where it will monitor all the backlinks which you have created from in this section. So those are the link building. It might look bit simple, but it has so much power built in. You can find a lot of backlink opportunities, and not only finding it, organizing it, filtering it, automatically outreaching from those backlinks, and finally monitoring those backlinks within. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into SEMrush bulk backlink analysis tool. This tool is available within link building under bulk analysis. Basically, it allows you to bulk analyze your competitors or list of your domains, up to 200 domains or URLs at a time. You can also enter the URLs or domains here. Select a result scope here, whether it's auto, root domain, subdomain or URL. Where auto, it will detect on its own to see them which most suited for the URL you are entered. Click on compare. Once you clicked on compare, I have entered around 187 links for my competitor. It will go and find all the details related to go authority scope, backlinks, domain which is attached a link backing to, monthly visit, follow, no follow, text based link, image based link. All the data will be shown here. So those data will be showed under bulk based backlink analysis. You can visit the domain directly here, or you can click on any of this link. All of them are linked back to relevant tools within the SEMrush tool to give you more depth. For example, if I see a good domain and I want to see all of their backlinks, I just need to click on that backlink count. It will show me that domain with that backlink count opened up for me. Can see it is still opening up. Once it's done, I will see that backlink. What is the backlink? Who are the backlinks these guys are getting the backlink from? I will see all the data from here. So that is what bulk backlink analysis within SEMrush is able to do. You can also filter this out. Like you can sort it from a higher point of view or a lower point of view. You can do all those things as well.